Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2016 Kubota B2650 compact tractor loader belly mower. This tractor has just 302 hours on it. It was purchased new 9/22 of 16 and still carries Kubota factory powertrain warranty until 9/22 of 2022. Extremely clean tractor. The gentleman that owned this was very, very fussy. Tractor is beautiful. It's not scratched up, beat up, dented up. It was garage kept. There is a track vac system that we have done a video of just about a half hour ago and is sold separately. That was the only PTO item that was ever running on this tractor. But very nice LA 535 or 534 quick attach front loader with skid steer quick attach and 60-inch bucket. RCK 60B. RCK 60-30BA belly mower deck, four-wheel drive, power steering, non-admissions tractor here. Very, very nice setup. Does have the roof. This is a factory Kubota roof from Femco. That's who makes it for Kubota. There is a couple spots where he bumped a couple trees and it did chip the plastic on it. We'll show you that here in a second. But very nice, clean tractor. We've done a complete and full service. All OEM Kubota filters. We're going to take you up front here. We're going to take you completely around this tractor. There is one little ding here in the front grill guard, right here. I'm just going to show that to everybody. Other than that, tractor is honestly in beautiful, beautiful condition. Under the hood, powered by the Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts, runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. Again, we have done a complete and full service. Air, fuel, engine oil, everything has been changed. Again, with OEM Kubota filters, and these are a D 1305 in these particular tractors. And again, this would be the 3-cylinder, and this would be non-admissions. Now, as far as your loader, the leveling mechanism is here. Level indicator, a lot of times I've seen this torn off or guys take them off. It is all there and is complete. Again, skid steer quick attach up front with 60-inch bucket. Tires on this tractor, I'm not underrating when I say this. They are about 85 or 90% all matched. All of your little tips are still on the tires. Up front, these are going to be your Titans. And up front, they are going to be a, I'll get you the tire size here in 1 second, 24 by 8.50 by 14. And coming here to the rear, going to be a 13/6/16. Tires are all excellent. Mower deck, excellent. Here in the back, and again, the only implement that he had that was 3-point was that track vac system that's stuck on the back. 3-point hitch, everything top link, factory top link, slow moving triangle. Everything is here and complete. PTO shaft like new. Still have the PTO protector guard, and drawbar is included in with it. Folding ROPS, and again, there's a spot here, right over here, and on the very front where he had bumped something, tree limb or something, got it. All sheet metal on the tractor is extremely straight and very, very, very nice. Going over some controls. You will have the selection of mid and rear, or just mid PTO, just simply by moving this lever. Low, medium, neutral, and high range PTO engagement. Tilt steering wheel, independent brake. Boomerang style hydrostatic pedal, which I absolutely love. 4-wheel drive in and out, up and down for your mower deck. Cruise control, park, turn signals in 4 ways. 302.8 hours. I'm going to go ahead, start this tractor to run around, show it does everything it is supposed to do. It does have the nice seat with the armrest package on it. So I'll go ahead here, fire it up, we'll run it through all its paces for you. very clean 300-hour tractor. Good luck finding something right now. It's a total mess you're in today. You can't find a new tractor. You can't find, if you find a tractor, most likely you won't be able to find one that has a loader on or for it. Loaders have been on national back order for customers for almost 6 months here from auto dealers from various manufacturers. But sad, but that's where we're in right now. The new model of this is an LX 2610. Changed a bunch of stuff on the motor. I don't know that I'd be the first guy to run out and get one. That's my opinion. The 2650 has been built for a while and is a proven tractor. It's non-emissions. Excellent tractor. Very good tractor. I like this particular setup. So the bigger tractors you're going to buy and not have any emissions. So that's a plus today. So if you have any questions on this tractor, I have all the books and manuals for it. It was a one-owner tractor. Very, very clean. It's what I try to specialize in. Is very nice, very clean, very low-hour tractors, and that is something becoming extremely tough to come by. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and we'll be glad to help in any way that we can. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.